Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to create memes on PumpFun. Creating memes can be a fun and creative way to express yourself and connect with others online. To get started, you will need to download the PumpFun app from the App Store. Once you have downloaded the app, create an account and familiarize yourself with the interface. The first step in creating a meme is to choose a template or image to use as the base of your meme. PumpFun offers a wide range of templates and images to choose from. Or you can upload your own image from your camera roll. Browse through the available templates and choose one that resonates with your idea or concept. Once you have chosen your template, it is time to add text to your meme. PumpFun provides a text editor that allows you to add captions, quotes, or jokes to your image. You can customize the font, color, and size of the text to fit your needs. Keep your text concise and relevant to the image, and make sure it is easy to read and understand. After adding text to your meme, you can further customize it by adding stickers, filters, or drawings. PumpFun offers a wide range of stickers and filters that you can use to enhance your meme. And you can also draw on the image using the drawing tool. Use these features to add visual interest to your meme and make it stand out. When creating a meme, it is essential to consider your audience and the context in which the meme will be shared. Make sure your meme is respectful and does not offend or discriminate against any individual or group. Also, be mindful of copyright laws and ensure that you have the necessary permissions to use the image or template. Once you have created your meme, you can share it on PumpFun or other social media platforms. You can also save it to your camera roll and share it later. To increase engagement and reach a wider audience, use relevant hashtags and tag your friends or other users. Best practices for creating memes on PumpFun include keeping your meme simple and concise, using high-quality images, and being respectful and considerate of your audience. By following these tips and guidelines, you can create effective and engaging memes that resonate with your audience and leave a lasting impression. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled meme creator and develop your own unique style and voice.